Good day everyone, I'm Joan Mae C Manzano from BSIT 1-1. Today, I'm gonna show my codes or let's say my input in all hands-on activity we perform. In the case 2 activity 1, the instruction is create a C# program that prints your full name, birthday, phone number, and favorite course subject. Display each one after the other in sequential order. So here is my input. Using system, namespace, hello name, curly bracket, class program, curly bracket, static void main string args, curly bracket, console.writeLine, full name, Joan Mae C Manzano, semicolon, console.writeLine, birthday, February 26, 2002, semicolon, console.writeLine, phone number, 090560144470, semicolon, console.writeLine, favorite course subject, which is programming, semicolon, and then the last is console.read key. Then if I run this, the output will be this one, which is it appears my full name, birthday, favorite course, subject. For case 2 activity 2, the instruction is write a program that accepts the first, middle, and last name and prints the whole name. So here is my input. Using system, namespace, class program, static void main string args, console.writeLine, enter your first name, semicolon, string, first name, console.readLine, console.writeLine, enter your middle name, semicolon, string middle name, console.readLine, console.writeLine, enter your last name, semicolon, string last name, console.readLine, console.write your full name is first name plus middle name plus last name. Then, lastly is console.read key. And if I am going to run this, the output will be enter your first name, which is Joan Mae. Enter your middle name, Kalunsag. Enter your last name, Manzano. My full name is Joan Mae Kalunsag Manzano. For case 3 activity 1, the instruction is write a program in C# to separate the individual characters from a string. The input string is minscat, so here is my input. Using system, public class, public static void main, string str semicolon int l is equals to 0 semicolon, console.write, wherein dash and dash n separate individual characters from a string so that any words that I will be input in console.write input the string will appear in separate order. Then in console.write, the characters of the string are, in this part, what word did I enter in input the string will become separate into individual characters. And then console.write, curly 0, curly, apostrophe str, semicolon, console.write, dash n, then semicolon. If I'm going to run this program, the output will be input the string, which is minscat. So here is the characters of the string, which is it already separate from individual. For case 3 activity 2, the instruction is write a program in C# to print individual characters of the string in reversed order. So here is my input. Using system, namespace, public class, public static void main, the command is print individual characters of the string in reversed order, I use string str, comma rev string to reverse the word. Console.write, enter the string. In this part, I will enter the word that I want to form in reverse order. str is equals to console.readline. For int I is equals to str.length minus 1, semicolon I is greater than or equal to 0, semicolon I dash dash. Rev string is equals to rev string plus string, semicolon console.write. Reverse string is, in this part, the reverse word will appear. Then console.readline, and if I'm going to run this program, the output will be enter the string means cut. The reverse string is capital TACS, small letter NI, and capital M. For case 3, activity 3, the instruction is write a program in C# to total the number of words in a string. So here is my input. Using system, public class, public static void mains, string str semicolon, int I, comma, wrd, comma, l, semicolon, console.write, dash n, count the total number of words in a string, dash n, semicolon, and then console.write to input the string, then str is equals to console.readline. L is equals to 0, semicolon, wrd is equals to 1, semicolon, comment, loop till end of string, while L is less than or equal to str.length minus 1, curly bracket, comment again, check whether the current character is white space or new line or tab character. And then if str L is equals to equals str equals dash n, str L equals dash t, curly bracket, wrd plus semicolon, and then console.write the total number of words in a string is curly bracket 0 dash n wrd. In this part, the total number of characters in a string will appear. Then if I'm going to run this, the output will be input the string welcome to means cat. The total number of words in a string is 3, which is 1 is welcome, 2 is 2, 3 is the word means cat. For case 3, activity 4, the instruction is write a program in C# that count the total number of alphabets, digits, and words in a string. So here is my input. Using system, public class, public static void main, string str semicolon, int alp digit, special character alp is equals to digit is equal to special is equals to I is equals to 0, semicolon, console.write dash n count total number of alphabets, digits, and words, dash n, semicolon, console.write input the string, wherein in this part you're going to input what word you gonna count the total number of alphabets, digits, and words, and then comment checks each character of string while I is less than L if STR is greater than or equal to small letter a, and STR is less than or equal to small letter z. STR is greater than or equal to big letter A, and STR I is less than or equal to big letter Z. Alt plus plus semicolon, else if STR I is greater than or equal to 0, and STRI is less than or equal to number 9. In this part, it is all about digit. Else, curly bracket, special character plus plus semicolon, I plus plus semicolon, console dot write, number of alphabets in the string is 0, curly bracket, dash n alt, number of digit in the string is 0, curly bracket, dash n digit, number of words in the string is 0, curly bracket, dash n, apostrophe special. And if I'm going to run this program, the output will be input the string welcome to means cat. Rather, welcome to ITE 212 dash object dash oriented programming. Number of alphabets in the string is 37. Number of digits in the string is 3. Number of words in the string is 6. For case 3, activity 5, the instruction is write a program in C# to count the total number of vowel or consonant in a string. Then my input is using system, public class, public static void, main, string str int I, len vowel cons, semicolon, console.write to count total number of vowel or consonant, semicolon, console.write, input the string wherein you're going to input what word you're going to count the number of vowel and cons. str is equals to console.readline to read and play and the full program. Vowel is equals to 0, cons is equal to 0, len is equals to str.length, semicolon. For I is equal to 0, semicolon, I is less than len, semicolon, I plus plus, curly bracket, if str equals small letter a, str is equals small letter e, a, e, I, o, u, which is the vowel, and then else if a to z, small letter z is the consonant, as big letter a to z has a consonant. Console.write, the total number of vowel in the string is the total number of consonant in the string is, and then if I'm going to run this program, the output will be input the string welcome to object dash oriented programming. The total number of vowel in the string is 13. The total number of consonants in the string is 21. For case 4 activity 5 number 1, the instruction is write a program to display the computed salary of the employee. Program should accept employee's name, number of hours worked, rate per hour, and deduction. So here is my input. I use decimal salary, semicolon console.write to input the employee's name, the number of hours worked, rate per hour, and the deduction. Then to string the name of the employee, console.readline, int num is equals to convert to int 32 console.readline for the number of hours. Decimal rate is equals to convert to decimal console.readline for rate per hour. Decimal dead is equals to convert that to decimal console readline for the deduction. And then for the total is salary is equals to 9 num times rate. Console.write line for salary, then console.read line, and if I'm going to run this program, the output will be employee's name, which is given is April Tolentino. Then number of hours is 40 hours. Rate per hour is 650.95. Deduction is 4,600. For the total salary is 26,038 pesos. For case 4, activity 5 number 2, the instruction is write a program to display student information and the computed tuition fee. Program should accept student name, ID number, total number of units, tuition fee per unit, and here is my input. The comment is program student name, ID number, total number of unit, and the tuition fee. I use console.write to write the student name, ID number, number of units, and tuition per unit. Then string s name for student name is equals to console.readline. String ID is equals to convert that to string console readline for the ID number. Int unit, which is number of unit, is equals to convert that to int 32 console.readline. Int unit, which is tuition fee unit, is equals to convert that to int 32 console readline for the tuition per unit. And then T fee, tuition fee, is equals to number of unit times tuition fee unit. Console.write tuition fee, console.readline, and if I'm going to run this program, the output will be student name from the given May Ancheta, ID number MCC 2020 -0001, and then number of unit is 24. Tuition per unit is 250, and the total tuition fee is 6,000. For case 4, activity 6, number 1, the instruction is prepare a simple C# program that will perform PEMDAS of the two input numbers. So here is my input. For the comment, PEMDAS operators of two input integers. Int, exponent, product, quotient, modulo, sum, difference. Console.write line for the input first number, which is given is 2. And for the console.write line input second number, the given is 8. Console.write line exponent 1, exponent 2, then int exponent 1 and 2 is equals to convert that to int 32 console.readline. Console.write product 1, product 2, then int product 1, product 2 is equals to convert that to int 32 console.readline. Quotient 1, quotient 2, console.write. Int quotient 1, quotient 2 is equals to convert that to int 32 console.readline. Console.write modulo 1, modulo 2, Then int modulo 1, modulo 2 is equals to convert that to int 32, console that right line. For sum 1, sum 2, console that right. Then int sum and 2 is equals to convert that to int 32, console that read line. For the difference 1, difference 2, console that right. Int difference 1, difference 2 is equals to convert that to int 32, console that read line. Close bracket, exponent is equals to exponent 1 times exponent 1, exponent 1 times exponent 2. Console that right line, the exponent is, followed by the product, the quotient, the modulo, the sum, and the difference is. Then, if I'm going to run this one, the output will be exponent 1, 2, exponent 2, 8, product 1, 2, product 2, 8, quotient 1, 2, quotient 2, 8, modulo 1, 2, modulo 2, 8, sum 1, 2, sum 2, 8, difference 1, 2, difference 2, 8. The exponent is 64, the product is 16, the quotient is 0, the modulo is 2, the sum is 10, and the difference is negative 6. For case 4 activity 6 number 3, the instruction is write a C# program of two operands A and B with values 24 and 9. Test all the relational operators. So here is my input. For the comment, program all relational operators. Console that write input num A. Int A is equals to convert that to int 32, console that read line. Console that write input num B. To int B is equals to convert that to int 32, console that read line. If A is less than B, console that write line A is less than B. AB. If A is greater than B, console that write line A is greater than B. If A is less than or equal B, console that write line A is less than equal B. If A is greater than or equal B, console that write line A is greater than equal B. If A is equal to B, console that write line A is equal B. If A is not equal B, console that write line A is not equal B, then console with line. If I'm going to run this program, the output will be input num A is 24. Num B is 9. A is greater than B, which is true because 24 is greater than 9. A is greater than equal B, another true, and A is not equal B because 24 is not equal to 9. Lastly, for case 4 activity 6 number 4, the instruction is prepare a C# program of a bit operation of 12 and 25. So here is my input. For the comment, first is prepare a C# program for bit operation of 12 and 25. Int A is equals to 12. Int B is equals to 25. Console that write line to enter the A. Then console write line, enter B. Console write line, the value of A is in binary. Convert that to string A to B is in binary. convert that to string B2. And then console that write line bitwise OR. Console write line. The bitwise OR result is in binary. Convert that to string A and B. AB2. And then console that write line bitwise N. The bitwise N result is A and B. In binary, convert that to string A and B2. In console that write line bitwise complement. The bitwise complement result is in binary. Convert that to string A2. Console that write line bitwise XOR result. Console that write line bitwise. And then console that read key. To know the output, let's run this one. Enter A, which is 24, rather 12. Enter B is 25. Here is the value of A, which is 12 in binary, is 1100. And B is 25 in binary is 11001. In bitwise OR, the bitwise OR result is 29 in binary because 1100 or 11001, the result is 11101, that in decimal is 29 bitwise, and the bitwise end result is 8 in binary, which is 1000 because 1 is in the line of 8. The not countable is 0. Bitwise complement, the bitwise complement result is negative 13 in binary, which is 11111, 11111, so on, and then 0011. Bitwise XOR, the bitwise XOR result is 21 in binary, which is 10101. And then the bitwise operand result is 402653184. In binary is 11000, and so on. And for the bitwise result is 0, in binary is 0.